Hello friends, let's make pizza pasta. So while our pasta is getting boiled, let's start the step number 2. We need some cooking oil and then add 1 medium size of chopped onion and then add chopped garlic and then add ground beef, chicken or vegetables, whatever you feel like. Mix everything very well and then add some salt to taste and then put some black pepper and then add some oregano. Mix once again and then cover and cook for 10 minutes on a low medium heat. And now let's add the tomato sauce. And now it's time to add pasta. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good weekend.